Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Atomic Energy Agency. World will mark the 66th anniversary of establishment on International Atomic Energy Agency on July 29th. The IAEA was created in 1957 in response to the deep fears and expectations generated by the discoveries and diverse uses of nuclear technology. It was proposed by US President Dwight D. Eisenhower in Atoms for Peace, addressed to the UN General Assembly in 1953. Now let us know more about IAEA. It is an international organization established to promote peaceful use of nuclear energy and prevents its use for military purpose. It is an autonomous organization under United Nations. Although it is established independently, it reports to UN General Assembly and UN Security Council. The organization is headquartered at UN office in Vienna, Austria. It serves as a forum on scientific and technical cooperation on the peaceful use of nuclear technology. As a nuclear watchdog of UN, it is responsible for upholding the principles of Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty of 1970. IAEA has three missions: promotion of peaceful use of nuclear energy, safeguards to prevent its use for military purpose, and promoting high standards for nuclear safety. IAEA consists of three important bodies: Board of Governors, General Conferences, and Secretariat. The Secretariat is headed by the Director General. He is responsible for enforcement of the actions passed by the Board of Governors and the General Conference.